This is how to make the creamiest, most indulgent chicken you'll ever make. I'm using chicken cutlets for my recipe, and we're going to start with some salt, pepper, paprika, and some onion powder. And you can flip it and do the same to the other side of your chicken. Add a good knob of butter to a hot frying pan and a drizzle of the oil from some sun-dried tomatoes, and just fry your beautiful chicken cutlets. When your chicken is beautifully browned on both sides, add an extra knob of butter to your pan and some diced onions. When your onions are soft and picking up those beautiful brown bits from the bottom of your pan, throw in your garlic, mixed herbs and oregano, and some chilli flakes. Just let that cook for a few moments. Deglaze your pan with some chicken or vegetable stock and add in some double or heavy cream. Sorry, my camera cut out. I added plenty of parmesan cheese. Just let your beautiful sauce simmer for a minute or two. And when it just starts to thicken, taste it for salt and pepper. And I'm just adding a little extra black pepper. Add some beautiful sun-dried tomatoes and your chicken back to your dish. Just let this simmer away for a few minutes until that sauce is nice and thick. And when your sauce is beautifully thickened and it's so creamy, your dish is ready. Really simple yet really warming dish. And that's all there is to it. You can serve this with roast potatoes, pasta, it's up to you. And I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe and click that notification bell.